Hey guys, how to download Valorant on PC or laptop? Want to download Valorant on your PC but confused about the launcher, setup, or system requirements? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to download and install Valorant safely, without errors or slowdowns. Stay with me and get ready to jump into the game. First of all, open a browser on your laptop and search for Valorant. The link is also in the description, and after that, click on the first website. Then click on Play for free. After that, choose your platform here, click on it. Then My PC. I have selected PC. Sign in here or create an account. After that, there is a download button below. Click on it. Your villain will start downloading. Please wait. Once the downloading is complete, click on Show Folder to open the download folder on your PC. Install Valorant from here, double-click the Valorant setup. After that, click the Install. Valorant installation will start. Please wait. After the installation is complete, click Install. This is the installation setup of Valorant games. This is the install location information. And click the Install. The game will start installation. If your game installation is complete, a game shortcut will be added to the desktop. And that's how you download and install Valorant on your PC successfully. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe for more gaming guides and tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and enjoy your matches.